Hello guys, I am Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you part 2 of this Halloween witch tutorial. In part 1, I showed you how to make the head, dress, hat, arms and legs. Today I'll show you how to make the remaining parts and complete our Halloween witch. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. If you have any question about crochet, please comment me. And if you have any suggestion for a new tutorial, please let me know in the comment box. So now I'll make the witch claws, toes or finger using purple yarn. You can see that it's very easy. I'll skip one stitch, and in the second stitch you can see that in the second stitch I'll make 3 chain. I'm just adding purple color yarn and making 3 chain, 1 2 3. Okay, and then I'll make on the second chain 1 slip stitch and then 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, and in that same stitch I'll make 1 slip stitch, total 3 slip stitch. You can see that, and then in the next stitch I'll make 1 slip stitch and again 3 chain, 1 2 3, and again 1 slip stitch from the second stitch, 2 slip stitch and 3 slip stitch, and then on the next stitch I'll make 1 slip stitch, 1 2 3 chain, and then again 4 slip stitch. I'll do, it's my third toe, you can see that, and that I have made 3 toes on the foot. You can see, after making all 3 toes, bring the yarn tail to the back. You can see that I'm just bring the yarn tail in this side, and now I am making a knot tightly to shape the toe of the witch. You can see that I'm just making 3 knots total to secure. This helps shape the foot and keeps the toes in place. You can see that the foot is ready. So the witch feet are ready with 3 fingers or 3 toes, or you can call it claws. Okay, using same process I have also finished 2 hands. As you can see, the arms, legs are now complete. Now I will make the witch hair. Take yarn and cut it your desired length. You can use about 6 or 7 inches of yarn. Take 5 or 6 strands at a time. So in the same way I'll make 6 small bundle like this. This yarn bundles will be used to make the witch hair. Now I'm using purple yarn and I have made 100 chain with that. This chain will be used to hang the witch. So as you can see, the head, hair, dress, legs, hats, all are ready. And now it's time to assemble all these to make the witch. Okay, now I will start joining all the parts together. First I will secure the 100 chain hanging loop to the legs with a knot. You can see that. Then I'll cut the yarn, extra yarn, and then you can see that it's look like that. And then I'll insert the dress piece onto the hanging chain like that. So you can see that it's already ready, and now I'll keep the knotted part of the head facing upward and apply some hot glue on the back side of the head and attach the hanging on the glue. You can see. Do as I am showing to you. Hold it for a few seconds and wait until the glue is completely fixed, okay? Now I'll make the witch collar. First I'll make 10 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'll make total from the second chain I'll make 9 single stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it's complete now. Chain 1 and turn over the work and make 1 single stitch and 2 single stitch on the same stitch, and make another 2 single stitch on every stitch. Okay, it's I'll get here total 18 single stitch in the round. At the end I will make a slip stitch. Okay, I'm just showing to you 2 single stitch, 2 single stitch. Here is the last one, 2 single stitch, 2 single stitch. It's complete. You can see the collar is ready, and now I'll make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Okay, now I'll attach the 2 arms. You can see that. First tie the 2 arms together with a knot. And cut the extra yarn. And fixed them with hot glue on the back side. Yes, on the back side. Here I will apply some glue and fix the hands here. And now I'll make a knot with front side. The hand is fixed. Now I'll put the collar around the neck. You can see that. And secure them with a knot on the back side. The collar and hand is ready. You can see that. Now I'll attach the hair to the head. You can see that I made 6 yarn bundles for the hair. Take 3 bundles to attach to one side of the head, and you can see wrap yarn tightly around the knot of the head and tie it securely. Attach the another 6 bundles on the other side of the head and wrap the yarn and make a knot to secure it. And now for the front yarn, cut yarn according to the length you want. You can see that. Take the yarn double and prepare about 10 strength. Okay. Now tie them together in the middle with another piece of yarn, and then use hot glue to attach the front yarn to the forehead of the witch. You can see how I am doing that. Now I will attach the witch hat. First I will pass the purple hanging loop to the head and then trim a little of hair at the top of the head. You can see that. And apply a good amount of hot glue to the top of the head and hair. Place the hat over the head and press it down firmly so it stays securely in place. You can see that. Apply glue if you want more. And the head is fixed. You can see that. Now I'll lift the hair slightly upward of the left side and apply some glue to fix the hair. And now another side. The same way, apply some glue and fix the hair. Okay? And it's fixed. Now I'll trim the hair evenly to give it a neat shape. You can see everything is ready. So now I'll draw the face, okay? I'm using gel pen to draw 2 eyes and a small mouth. And that's it. Our cute Halloween witch is finished. I hope you enjoy my video and let me know in the comments how she looks and which country you are watching from my video. If you enjoyed my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and stay with me for more crochet tutorial. And if you have any suggestions for my new tutorial, let me know in the comment box. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Tada.